Records. Introducing Ruggedman. Everybody stand untouchable.
Girl, we so untouchable. We incredible. Taking on the world now. We on now. We going higher. We on fire. Think I'm crazy. Me and my crew some riders. We so bad, oh. We gon' run this town. Don't be mad, oh. We gon' shut it down.
I done heard this, heard that. Ain't can't drive to my contract.
Before they even had a face to the name, boy, we coming inroads in the game.
Hell yeah, can I kick a floor?
Hell yeah,
can I rock shows?
me very well, yeah.
I mean your girl air like a diamond airing. You got a problem with that?
Past caring.
I stay fresh to death. The reason your show was sold out. Where is my check? Chinaydu don't need an excuse. Chinaydu just needs somebody to bruise. Yes.
Let it do what it do.
Yes. My flow sicker than the flu. Yes. I ain't got nothing to lose. Even the mythical Bigfoot won't step in my shoes.
Mi mo le farajo, we o le fapajo, mi le fayajo. Mi mo le farajo, we o le fapajo, mi le fayajo. Nigoro, 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 nigoro.
Looking over cash I be spending, chicks I be friending, tracks I be banging. Still rock the party and when I say we came to win, don't think I'm arguing. Say
yes sir.
I've been in the game in total. Take a quick photo, spit logo with a total sick vocal. New album check, new homeboy check, record label check. Still putting on mad tracks. I don't have to tell you I'm the best no more.
If the mic could speak it would say
believe that. Better yet do a recap. Pause. Yo Hakeem, bring the hook back.
Mi mo le farajo, we o le fapajo, mi le fayajo. Mi mo le farajo, we o le fapajo, mi le fayajo. Nigoro, 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 nigoro. This is Rugged Records.
That's what's up. Ruggedman. Hakeem. Chinaydu.
This is Rugged Records.
Untouchables. You can only try. You can only try. D-Tunes on the beat. Killing it, killing it, killing it, killing it.